Hello everyone, welcome to another exciting day. I hope we are all doing great. So our today's topic is nature painting. First of all, what is painting? Painting is the practice of applying colors or paints on a surface to express oneself. While nature painting is the painting of things that are naturally made. Not man-made, naturally made. Now let's talk about the things that are naturally made. Waterfall, animal, mountains, forests, animals that live in the water, plants, and so on. Materials used in painting. Materials like canvas, easel, paints, that's colors, different colors. We have brushes, different kind of brushes used in painting. We have apron. We have palettes, different kind of palettes. We have palette knife. Also, there are different kind of materials artists use in applying colors, not just materials. We have cotton board, we have foil paper, we have cotton wool, we have toothbrush. Some artists make use of toothbrush. So now let us look at these videos to see different kind of techniques used in painting. Here is a painting of a tree. Here the artist made use of cotton boards to make a painting of a tree. As an artist, you are advised to make use of your lightest colors first before applying your darkest color. Here, the artist made use of the lightest color first, which is lemon green, used cotton board to dab the lightest color first. Same thing with the dark color, different levels and different shades of green. So here the artist made use of cotton board to achieve what he wants. So there are different ways you can achieve your painting, different techniques and different patterns, different techniques, different tools, different materials. Here the artist is making use of cotton board to paint, to apply colors. Here the artist is making use of cotton board to achieve what he wants. So there are different kind of tools an artist can use in painting. And after that, the artist here is making use of brush to paint the stem and the tree. Also, the artist made use of white color to achieve the shade, the light shade and the dark shade. So after that, the artist made use of toothbrush to create pattern, different designs at the bottom of the tree. So you see the reason why I said artists can make use of different things. Some other artists make use of normal brushes, but here the artist made use of toothbrush. So here we are seeing close to 3 shades of green, from the lightest to the darkest. Also, here is another painting. Here the artist applied all the colors together in the middle and blend. There are different tools you can use in blending. Some use big brush, some use beauty blender. some use a beauty blender, that is a foam. So here the lightest color in the middle, the darkest up, just to show the ray of light. Also, the artist here is using black paint, to paint out the trees. So remember I said from the lightest color first to the darkest color. Here in this painting, the darkest color here is black. So the artist here is making use of another brush to create the tree, to paint the tree. So don't forget your lightest color first. Also, here is another painting. The lightest color up, the darkest color in the middle, and the lightest color at the tip. Like I said, your lightest color first. You can blend. As you can see here, the artist here is making use of brush to blend. So like I said earlier on, you can make use of different tools to blend your colors. If you want to blend your colors, that is your background color. Also, you can make use of your lightest color to blend some parts. When painting, some artists make use of stencils. You cut out your designs before painting, just like this. The artists here have stencils ready, placed it on the painting, and also apply the darkest color on it. As an artist, don't forget that there are different ways to achieve what you want. So don't forget about the colors you use. Always blend the colors well. Don't forget that nature painting is a painting of things that are naturally made. Please don't mix it up, okay? Houses, buildings, they are not naturally made, they are man-made. So nature painting is a painting of things that are naturally made. All right, good. So there are other things that you can try as a young artist. You can also try painting different things. Imaginative painting. Nature painting can actually come from imaginative painting. Yes, you can imagine things that have happened in the past, because that is what happens to be imaginative painting or drawing. Things that are in your brain box, things that you have in your head already, things that you can imagine. So also nature painting can come from those. All right, so thanks for today. I hope we've learned one or two things. Do have a great day.